Hello, welcome back to the channel. I feel like I'm yelling right now. I don't know why, but if you guys follow me on social media, then you know that making the last video that I broke the Humvee. The tires are actually bowed out. Like the left tire goes out to the left and the right tire goes out to the right severely, and it's not supposed to be doing that. So I got underneath the truck, looked, no tie rods are broken or anything like that I could see, but I didn't want to drive it, so we had it towed to Defiant, and they have it on the lift now. But we're about to go check it out, see exactly what's wrong with it. So if you can tell, that wheel is straight, and then you come over here and look at this one. That one ain't so straight. It's actually pretty cockeyed, and then broke the gearbox. You see it leaking everywhere, but something's definitely going on with it. Not sure what it is. This thing is dirty. Clean it. Check it out. 400 miles and already got a piece of metal stuck in the tire. Graham's gonna pull it out. Think it made it all the way through.
Made it in there about half an inch.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like air's coming out though. Yeah, it's coming out. I feel it. All right, so gotta give a huge shout out to Simple Clean. They sent me an email last week and they said, "Hey Chase, we noticed your Humvee was super dirty. It needs to be washed." So they sent me a bunch of this stuff to try out, and we're gonna see just how good it works today. They sent all kinds of stuff. Not really sure what all of it does, but we'll check it out. So shout out to them for sending us some free stuff and giving us a chance to try it out. I know this is off subject. I had a dream the other night that I was in a plane crash.
Crap, dude. Don't get on a plane anytime soon.
I really thought that. I actually was getting on a airplane. We were flying somewhere, and like the pilot like overran the runway. But I think he was like drunk or something. That's weird, dude. Trust me, I know. I've had some weird dreams lately. I picked like the perfect day to do this. It's cold.
Now, yeah, it's gonna be cold and wet. Should have brought like some rubber pants or something.
Yeah, some like waterproof bibs or something.
Yeah. Dang. Thing's huge.
I ain't tryna break you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man, you can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch.
This stuff, I'm like spraying it on, not even scrubbing it. And it's like eating off everything. It's like eating all the dirt and grease off. Sorry.
Dang, dude.
I know. It's like magic.
That took you like 3 hours, Chase.
Was it really that long?
No, I'm just kidding.
All right, so we got all this cleaned up now. And this stuff right here, that's the wool cleaner. Ah, here it is. This stuff right here. That's my favorite. That stuff, like, that's what I sprayed on the tire back there to like ate all the dirt off of it. So if you guys are looking for something that's super easy, ain't got to put no elbow grease in it, I suggest this stuff. I mean, look at it. You can tell it just came. I mean, it's got a little dirt, but the main dirt has been ate off. So I'm gonna put a link to these guys below. If you want some products, check them out. Definitely recommend it. All right, guys, so we're about to upload a new video, and we're gonna go through his comments and check them out. But what we're gonna do a Q&A. So I want you guys to go drop a question in the comments right now that you want us to answer, and we will answer it on the next episode. But for right now, some of these comments are pretty funny, so I'm gonna read them out. My favorite ones that I like. Let's see. Someone commented pumpkin. And then Kyle G. Rover commented back, "Spice," in response to the pumpkin comment. Little doohickey dingy 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 thingamajig, or something like that is what someone commented. Let's see. Blue tick hound was a comment. Someone said 1, and then Owen did 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dang, you got supporters.
It's kind of funny. Let me see here. Here you go, Houston. The recording and editing has increased greatly since the last time I watched one of your videos, and I'm sorry for that.
Wait, it has decreased?
Has increased, but look at a look at a name.
Okay. Well, that's we'll have to blur that out.
Yeah, it's funny. Someone said, "Has demo sent it yet?" I don't know. I'm sure he's seen the t-shirt surrendering since he is printing them, but I haven't reached out to him, haven't talked to him or anything. Let's see. Take it to Durham Town. Definitely doing that. We'll do that in the next couple weeks. Looks great. Now I need to talk my husband into getting one. Shouldn't be too hard. Someone said, "Your husband is a lucky man to have an understanding woman such as yourself." Laugh out loud.
Yeah, for real. It's like
I had to beg my wife to get one. And you're wanting to beg your husband, like, that man just needs to go ahead and just pull the trigger and buy one. Mount the potato gun on the Humvee. I think we need something bigger than a potato gun. Someone said, "I vote 12 valve over Duramax." 12 valve, and some people said, "Do a Duramax." I'm torn about what we're going to do with the motor. I want to do a Duramax. I want to do a 12 valve. I actually want to do both of them, but I can't. So right now we're uploading the testing what built for tough really means. And I wish I could have gotten the video of that truck driving in the water or in that mud hole. I kid you not, he almost totaled his truck out. And he was so scared about it. Like, he hit the water and the whole thing just stopped and went up in the air. I hope you guys do like the off-roading stuff. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure you guys go check out the website, grab you guys some merch if you want it. Also, leave a comment below on some questions you want us to answer. We'll answer it. And drop a like and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of the new videos we got coming up. We do have a major upgrade coming and you don't want to miss it, so make sure you turn on that notification button so you see everything. But until then, we're going to try and get this video uploaded, and we'll see you guys next time.
I ain't tryna bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things